Hola everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Jesus and this is Weirdo Beauty. For today's nail art video, I'm going to show you how to get these easy and fun rainbow splatter nails perfect for Pride Month. I'll show you how to get these to look good glossy, matte, and with hollow flakes. Let's get started. As always, I'm starting off by applying my Peely base coat by Hollow Taco for easy removal later. Now I'm painting all of my nails white using the Kiss Gel Strong polish named French White, and this one takes 2 to 3 coats to be fully opaque. Now to do the splatter, I take my nail polish brush and I brush off almost all of the polish into the bottle, but I leave just a bit of polish on the brush, and then I lightly stroke the brush randomly onto my nail, but I make sure to do only 5 strokes so I have room for the other colors. I started off with the cherry red Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear polish named Pucker Up, then I used the orange Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear polish named Sunkissed. Next I applied the yellow Kiss Gel Strong polish named My Color. For green, I used the lime green LA Colors Color Craze polish named Mint, even though it's not mint. Then for blue, I used the LA Colors Color Last polish named Honor. And finally, I used the Gray Purple Sinful Colors polish named Dream On. Before I apply a top coat, I just want to let you know that if you do recreate this nail art, you can choose just one of the following top coats to seal in your manicure. I just couldn't make up my mind about which one looks the best, so you can let me know which one is your favorite. Now first, I'm going to apply the Quick Dry Top Coat by Revlon to show you how this mani looks when glossy. For the matte top coat, I'm also using one by Revlon, and this mani looks good also when matte too. The final top coat I'm adding is the Flakie Top Coat by Hollow Taco, and when that dries, I also apply the Revlon Glossy Top Coat to seal in the hollow flakes. And I love the shine that the hollow gives this mani. I think this one might be my favorite. And this nail art tutorial is complete. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, watch another video, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. You can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at JesusCH with an extra U, and on Twitter and TikTok at JesusCH_, also with an extra U. I'll see you on the next video. Adios!